This is my mid to late 1940s Clinton engine. I believe this came off of some kind of scooter type thing back then. Because of the kickstart, they only made these with kickstarts for those scooters. Kind of rare. You don't see them with kickstarts that much. You see Clintons a lot. Pretty much all original. I just finished doing a valve job on it because it was so low on compression it wouldn't hardly run. There's the tag. Tells you what oils and stuff to use at different temperatures. Somebody has fixed the spark plug wire at one point. That's okay, it still runs. I put a new spark plug in it because that was another issue. It's got a centrifugal belt clutch on it. Did an oil change on it. So let's start it up. There you go.